Whatever or not, Maritime was guilty of breach in bad faith international designed to evade the normal fulfillment of existing obligations. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे बिल्डिंग योर केस इन मैरीटाइम इंजरीज एंड प्रूविंग योर मैरीटाइम क्लेम. To put it simply, a maritime injury lawyers help to injured maritime workers recover compensation after they have been hurt on the job. But this line of work is not simple. When a client comes to us to ask for help, we determine what kind of cases they have. For instance, if a harbor worker were hurt in a crane accident, they would likely be covered under the Longshore and Harbor Worker Compensation Act. That means we are dealing with what amount to a federal workers claim rather than a lawsuit. This change our approach. Instead of building a cases that highlight the employer's negligence, we focus on showing the severity of the victim injuries to ensure full compensation. On the other hand, if someone who was injured on unseaworthy vessel comes to us, we will likely build a case under the Jones Act. This means we will file lawsuits against the victim employers to recover compensation. Our approach will then focus on the employer's negligence and how it caused our client injury. Your maritime claim. You know you were hurt, you know what happened, but do you know how to prove it? An experienced maritime injury lawyer does. That is a big part of what the Crest Law firm does for client every day. For instance, we seek maritime settlement for client by gathering evidence that show the accident, such as photo and videos, presenting evidence that show the unseaworthy vessel or other negligent condition, handling all legal paperwork to completion and on time, drafting document to present to the court opposing party, negotiating fair and full settlement agreement, fight for what you deserve in court if necessary. Your maritime injury attorney will know which evidence to gather to show that improper training or an unseaworthy vessel caused your injury, and we know how to maximize the compensation you receive.